Welcome to PT Indo Prima Perkasa, a pioneer and Indonesian market leader in the plastic manufacturing industry. Since our establishment in 2001, we've been shaping the future of plastic furniture while embracing sustainability and innovation. Our mission is clear: to provide stylish and aesthetic plastic furniture while contributing to a greener future. We are committed to designing and producing innovative products that consistently exceed customer expectations. Our core values drive everything we do. Innovation. We foster a culture of continuous improvement, constantly seeking new ways to enhance our products and production processes. Quality. Dedication to delivering durable products that stand the test of time and provide exceptional value to our customers. Sustainability. Prioritizing eco-friendly materials and processes to reduce our carbon footprint and promote a circular economy. Integrity. Conducting business with honesty, transparency, and ethical principles, building trust with our customers. Teamwork. Valuing collaboration within our diverse workforce, recognizing that our collective efforts drive our success. PT Indo Prima Perkasa is known for our 4 exceptional product lines. Plastic furniture, setting trends in stylish and functional plastic furniture. Homewares, elevating your home with our innovative designs. Toys and ride-on, creating joy and laughter in every child's playtime. Wall clocks, timepieces that add style to any room. Our customers are satisfied with our products as reflected in our outstanding 98 of 100 satisfaction index. We consistently deliver top-level product quality and customer service. From a modest beginning with dozens of employees and machines, we've grown into a thriving organization with hundreds of employees and production machines, and we're still expanding. We collaborate with strategic partners, including shipping companies, local and foreign raw material suppliers, and consulting firms to ensure our operations run smoothly. We deeply care about environmental issues in society. Our production processes embrace optimized waste treatment, reducing our environmental impact. To remain competitive, we maintain a relentless focus on innovation, continuously creating new and groundbreaking products. Our success is evident in our rapidly increasing sales and a growing waiting list of product delivery requests. As our company expands, so do our employees. We invest in their growth by equipping them with new knowledge and skills, making their competence a top priority. Our future goal is clear: to be the top market leader in both the local and Asian markets of plastic furniture manufacturing. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, we're shaping a greener, more stylish, and innovative future. Contact us today to be a part of the experience.